welcome back again our maths class for UKG. Today we are going to learn before number, after number, ascending order, descending order, greater than and less than. This already we learned, isn't it? Today we are revise this topic. Okay, last class we already learned some number names, isn't it? Which numbers we learned? Yes, number 51 to number 70. Very good. Children, what is the spelling of number 70, children? Tell me. Yes, very good. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. Very good. This number names we already learned, isn't it? Today, first we are going to learn before and after number. All of you take out your textbook, open page number 94 and 95. What comes just before? What comes just before page number 94? Then what comes just after? That is page number 95. Okay, let's start. All of you take out your textbook, open page number 94. What comes just before? Write the numeral which comes just before. Write the numeral which comes just before. Before means numbers comes which direction? Forward direction. Clear? Numbers comes forward direction is called before number. So children, which numbers comes before 57, children? Which number comes before 57? Yes, 56. So children, write 56. Okay. Then which number comes before 64, children? Yes, very good. 63. So children, write 63. Clear? So children, all of you write this exercise like this. Clear? Which number comes before 63? Then next, which number comes before 58? Then which number comes before 59? Then which number comes before 69? Which number comes before 54? All of you write the correct answer. Clear? Which number comes before 60? Then which number comes before 52? All of you write the correct answer. Clear? So all of you do the exercise. Clear? Then write what comes just before 65, 66, 67, 68. Which number comes before 65, children? Yes, very good. 64. So children, write 64. Clear? All of you do like that. Next, what comes just after? Write the numeral which comes just after. Write the numeral which comes just after. Just after means which direction? The numbers comes which direction? Forward direction. Clear? Numbers comes forward direction is called after number. Clear? Children, first exercise 55. Which number comes after 55, children? 55 after which number? Tell me. Yes, 56. So children, write 56. Clear? Next, which number comes after 67, children? Yes, very good. 68. Then, which number comes after 50, children? Write the correct answer. Then, 57. Which number comes after 57? Then 70 after. Then which number comes after 68? All of you do the exercise like that. Clear? Then write what comes just after. Which number is this, children? 66, 67, 68, 69. Which number comes after 69, children? Yes, 70. So children, write 70 here. All of you do the exercise like that. Clear? Next, what comes between? These are we already learned, isn't it? Today we revise this topic. Clear? What comes between? Write the numeral which comes between 65, 67. Which number comes in between these two numbers, children? 65. Then which number? 66. So children, write 66 here. Clear? Next, 52, 54. Which number comes in between 52 and 54, children? Tell me. Yes? Louder. Very good. 53. So children, write 53 here. All of you do the exercise like that. Clear? Next, write what comes between 53 then 55. Which number comes in between 53 and 55, children? 54. Very good. Then 55. Next 56. Very good. 56. All of you do the exercise like that. Clear? Next, page number 97. Ascending order. Ascending order. 51 to 70. Ascending order 51 to 70. What is ascending order, children? Numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest. Numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest. Right in ascending order. 51. Then which number comes after 51, children? 52. Then 53. Then 54. Clear? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. All of you do like that. Clear? Next, exercise 58, 61, 54. Numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest. So, we write first which is the smallest number? 54. Then 58. Then 61. Clear? Numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest. That is ascending order. Clear? Next, descending order. Page number 98. Descending order 70 to 51. Write in descending order. What is descending order, children? Numbers arranged from biggest to smallest. So children, we write which number comes before 55, 54, then 53, then 52, then 51. Clear? This is which method? Descending order. Numbers are arranged from biggest to smallest. All of you do like that. All of you do the exercise like that. Clear? Then 51, 68 and 64. Which is the biggest number, children? 68. So children, write first 68, then 64, then 51. This is which method? Descending order. Which order? Descending order. Biggest to smallest. Clear? Next, greater than, less than, equal to. This is we already learned, isn't it? So children, please put greater than, less than and equal to sign. Page number 99. All of you do the exercise. Clear? First one, ma'am will do it. Okay. 51, 58. Which is the biggest number? 58. So children, put the greater than sign. Clear? Next one, 69, 69. This is equal numbers. So children, put which symbol? Equal to. Clear? So children, all of you do the exercise like that. Clear? I hope all of you understood this topic. So I will wind up the class. See you in next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.